In case you were wondering where I disappeared to, I'm back on my Regly Bugs channel. Whales are an e-commerce product that purchase 100 million XRP tokens. Some XRP whales have amassed almost 100 million coins amid recent trading and rumors of a potential settlement between Ripple and SE. Despite the fact that the cryptocurrency's price has lately risen above the dollar mark, which is 53 cents. The fact that whales in the cryptocurrency market are accumulating enormous wealth demonstrates the level of interest in this asset class. Additional conjecture regarding a possible settlement in the 100 million coin issue between Ripple and the SEC whales could account for the current price rise and market interest. Whale Alert, an on-chain transaction tracker, has reported a total of approximately 100 million XRP tokens. The data utilized in this investigation comes from the most recent transactions involving an anonymous wallet, which holds approximately 39 million Bitcoin and is now valued at around 20 million. An extra 34 million coins and 36 million coins were credited to wallet addresses in the other two transactions, according to the whale warning. Wallets like this amassed these quantities through a number of different Bitcoin exchanges. All of these recent transactions took place on Binance, one of the most popular platforms in the business. Investors are worried despite the accumulation because of the recent sell-down. According to Whale Alert, Bitstamp purchased almost 28 million XRP from an individual. Many traders are drawn to the potential to book profits and often use this transaction as leverage. The market's increasing fascination with Bitcoin is evident from the massive accumulation that occurred during the latest price spike. New optimism in the market appears to have sprung from the expectation that the Ripple vs. SEC litigation would soon be resolved. It is necessary to carry out these actions. The likelihood of a deal between Ripple and the SEC has been rising as of late. Due to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's announcement of a closed-door meeting on July 18, the market has been incredibly excited. Many in the XRP community and among market analysts have speculated that settling the lawsuit in which Ripple is embroiled is the conference's primary objective. In addition, Ripple has a pivotal event on July 13. On July 13, 2023, Judge Torres made public his conclusion that XRP is not a security. In response to a question on XRP's future on the same day this year, Ripple officials voiced their satisfaction with the decision. There can be major repercussions if the CC and Ripples get into a disagreement. Judge Analisa Torres meted down a punishment on Ripple in July 2023 for marketing XRP prior to the cryptocurrency's registration as a security with the U.S. Federal Securities and Exchange Commission. Plus, she discovered that XRP's programmatic sales failed the Howey test, which was the cherry on top. Based on the information provided, it appears that the launch of a US XRP spot exchange-traded fund could be further postponed if the SEC chooses to challenge the programmatic sales decision. The exact day is August 23, 2023. In an interlocutory review application submitted to the Court of Appeal, the SEC sought authorization to examine the programmatic sales conclusion. The plea was denied by Judge Torres in October 2023, who stated that the CEC could not initiate the appeal until the Ripple case was resolved. Ripple has not yet communicated the final decision to its investors regarding the fines it must pay for violating U.S. securities laws. The value of the XRP market during the last 24 hours of trade would increase if the aforementioned scenarios play out and Ripple succeeds in getting a US XRP spot ETF approved. A 280% increase to 45 cents was XRP's price explosion this week. A 26 terawatt boost brought the XRP price to 52. The rising hope that the SEC's investigation into Ripple and XRP's regulatory status will soon be resolved is the driving force behind this. On the weekly chart, the Fisher indicator has made a highly positive return. The expert Dark Defender asserts that XRP has surpassed the 46-cent mark, which was the initial barrier level for today. The coin's present strategy is to try to break through the 52-week interim Fibonacci level. Reason, and market watchers believe the currency will finish the week well, trading at a price more than 53 cents. Another major milestone that XRP is anticipated to test next week is the secondary mid-level barrier at 60 cents. The current price of XRP is approximately 66 cents, which is close to the master fundamental level. We must not overlook this critical level, as it has the potential to set in motion significant price increases, potentially leading to what market analysts call the heaven stairway. As speculation grows that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) may conclude its investigation into Ripple, this course of action could lead to the classification of XRP as a non-security. For Ripple, this would be a major victory that might signal a sea change in regulation. Much has been made of a recent, as is customary for U.S. regulators, private meeting where the outcome of the Binance and Paxos litigation and a pivotal decision in the Ripple and SEC disagreement were discussed. The Bitcoin community is eagerly anticipating the meeting on July 18, and it will proceed as planned. At the forthcoming SEC meeting, Ms. Rumor suggests that Ripple and injunctive claim resolution could be on the agenda. All eyes are on these developments as market players eagerly await the meeting's conclusion. Just last week, it was the one-year anniversary of Judge Torres's historic ruling in the ICC v. Ripple case. Brad Garlinghouse, Chief Executive Officer of Ripple, and Ward Eldorado, Chief Legal Officer, have repeated their stance on the regulatory climate affecting the cryptocurrency industry after thoroughly examining the complaint. Garlinghouse documented the remarkable day of the court's ruling on XRP's security status in a web post dated July 13, 2023. The essay also discussed the current regulatory accomplishments and challenges that the cryptocurrency community is closely monitoring. It is suggested that the market position of XRP Ripple could be greatly affected by the next few weeks. According to Reuters report, BitConnect's inventor was sued in 2021 by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. BitConnect was held accountable by the SEC for the deceitful attempt to acquire around $2 billion from private investors. In a same vein, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission has taken an interest in the Bigots case, which serves as a timely reminder that numerous cryptocurrency assets are now considered financial instruments under the current legislation. I kindly request that you subscribe and like my channel at this time.